boys, let's begin again. A's for apple, apple. B's for ball, ball. C's for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. OPQRSTU, we're learning letters, me and you. VWXYZ, sing it loud, it's fun, you see. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. IJKLMNO, learning letters as we go. VQRSTUV, now we're almost done, you see. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jar, jar. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. WXYZ, that's the end. Now let's sing it all again. Start from A and go to Z, learning letters, you and me. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for whale, whale. X is xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now you know your ABCs. Sing it loud and proud with me.